every broken place, every hidden tear. I came with a heart shattered and torn, pieces of dreams I once held before, carrying burdens too heavy to hold, searching for mercy to heal my soul. Through every valley, every silent cry, you saw the tears I could not hide. When I was broken and lost in the night, your turn to whisper became my light. You gathered every shattered part, you hold the fragments of my heart. You are mending the pieces of my soul, putting together what the world stole. With every touch, your mercy flows, healing my wounds nobody knows. You are mending the pieces of my soul, making this broken heart whole. Grace like a river overflows. Jesus, you're mending my soul. I walk through seasons of sorrow and pain, calling your name in the pouring rain, wondering if you could still love me with all the scars the world could see. But you drew closer with arms open wide. You said, my child, I'm right by your side. You took the pieces I tried to hide and filled the emptiness deep inside. You gather every shattered part, you hold the fragments of my heart. You are mending the pieces of my soul, putting together what the world stole. With every touch, your mercy flows, healer of the wounded heart. You are healing me, you are restoring me, piece by piece. You are making me whole. You are mending the pieces of my soul, putting together what the world stole. Every scar, every tear, you know. Jesus, you're making me whole. You are mending the pieces of my soul. Your love is my overflow. Grace like a river flows. Jesus, you're healing my soul. Take every broken piece of me, make me who I'm meant to be. In your presence, I am whole. Jesus, mender of my soul. Jesus.